Over the years, Microsoft has followed its version number scheme each time it released a new version of Windows, like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11, but it did not release Windows 9. After the release of Windows 8.1, Microsoft skipped directly to Windows 10 for its next version of the operating system. Many people were curious about Microsoft's decision to skip Windows 9, and this choice had effects on users and the tech industry. In this video, we will explore why Microsoft jumped to Windows 10 and did not release Windows 9. Microsoft skipped Windows 9 for a few reasons, both technical and marketing. It wasn't because of a technical issue with the number 9, but more about avoiding confusion with older Windows versions, marketing reasons, and the desire to present Windows 10 as a big shift. One of the main reasons was to avoid confusion with older versions of Windows, in particular Windows 95 and Windows 98. The naming convention Windows 9 could have caused compatibility issues in software, as some programs might have checked for Windows 9 to recognize older Windows versions, such as Windows 95 and 98. This could lead to bugs or problems with compatibility checks. Another concern was third-party apps. Shortcuts are often used by developers to identify Windows versions. A new Windows 9 could confuse these programs. Microsoft made it clear that developers needed to update their code when they switched to Windows 10. Windows 10 was also seen as a big shift in the Windows operating system, aiming to make the desktop, tablet, and mobile experiences equal. By jumping directly to Windows 10, Microsoft positioned the release as something new and different, indicating a fresh start in their operating system. Windows 8 and 8.1 were seen as less successful, and Windows 10 was introduced as an entirely new experience, with new features like the return of the traditional Start menu, Cortana, a better security system, improved Action Center, virtual desktops, and integration across devices. By distancing itself from Windows 8, which struggled to gain users due to its shift in the user interface, particularly the tile-based start screen, Microsoft showed that Windows 10 is a great improvement in its operating system. It puts emphasis on a continual updating model rather than a series of numbered successors. Skipping a number may seem unusual, but it showed a major upgrade from Windows 8, a new direction for its operating system, and distanced itself from the past issues in Windows 8. There is no such thing as Windows 9. Windows 9 never came out, and is not a real operating system, so users who upgraded from Windows 8 to Windows 10 did not miss a version of Windows. Even if you find a download for Windows 9, an article on how to upgrade to Windows 9, or a video showing someone installing Windows 9, it's not from Microsoft. A download claiming to be Windows 9 could even be malware that disguises itself as an update to Windows, or a rare Windows version only available to a limited number of users. Some people may think of Windows 9 as an unreleased version of Windows 10 that was only available to a limited group of testers through the Windows Insider program before it was released to the public. But Windows 9 is not an official release of the operating system. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.